Opera Crypto Wallet Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my Opera Crypto Wallet Full Review. Links to the product and resources are included in the description below. The Opera Crypto Wallet is an integrated browser-based solution designed for seamless crypto management and Web3 interaction. Built directly into the Opera browser, it provides a convenient and secure way for users to store, send, receive, and interact with blockchain-based applications without the need for third-party extensions or software. The wallet supports a range of cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, and is compatible with popular blockchains like Bitcoin, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. Users can easily switch between supported networks, making it suitable for managing diverse crypto portfolios. One of its standout features is the built-in Web3 functionality, which allows users to directly access decentralized applications, DApps, such as DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and gaming services, all from the browser. A key advantage of the Opera Crypto Wallet is its ease of use. It's designed with a straightforward interface, making it accessible even for crypto newcomers. The wallet is also integrated with the Opera browser's VPN and ad blocking features, offering enhanced privacy and security during transactions and Web3 interactions. Additionally, the wallet incorporates biometric authentication, such as fingerprints, for added convenience and security on mobile devices. Despite its many strengths, there are some drawbacks. The Opera Crypto Wallet primarily targets users who are already comfortable using the Opera browser. This could be a limitation for those accustomed to other browsers like Chrome or Firefox. Moreover, while the wallet offers a secure environment, its browser-based nature may not match the level of security provided by hardware wallets or dedicated software wallets. In conclusion, the Opera Crypto Wallet is an excellent choice for users who value convenience and seamless integration with Web3 technologies. It's ideal for crypto enthusiasts who actively explore dApps and want a unified browser wallet solution. However, if you prioritize maximum security or prefer a standalone wallet, this might not be the best option for you.